Hello guys, today we will be looking at how to set up animations in Tap Engine. So we will go to our node tree and we only have this node inside here. So we will create a new node using the animated sprites node. So add child node and we will search for the animated sprites node. Animated. So we have it, animated sprites node. We select it, add child, and let's see the warning. It says a sprite frames resource must be created or set in the property in order for animated sprite to display frames. Okay, so what we will do is that we will go to this shortcut, or you see open sprite frames editor, or we will go to the properties tab and then we will search for how to add frames to our object, our animated sprite. So okay, let's do it this way. So you select this button and then we will create a new animation. You will name it A. Let's name it A for demonstration sake, and then we will select the animation we just created and named A. Then you select this button and you select add from sprite sheet. You can select add frames from file or anything, but for now we will be using add from sprite sheet. So when you select it, and I have these sprites like run, let's choose run and then select it, and you see we have this sprite scatter here, and this button here shows this number here. Let me do it so that you can see it. You see we have 1, 2. Okay, let me set it up so that you can understand it. Let's see, 7. Okay. Oh, sorry. We are setting it up, so it doesn't matter. 7. This one is 1. Okay. You see, we have how many animation or frames do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 frames, so you have to change this one to 8, and now we have it all in frames correctly. So this place is the number 8 position is the horizontal, and the 1 is the vertical. The 8 is the horizontal and the 1 is the vertical. So we have all these frames set up. So you select the frames we want to display. So you select this, select this, select this, select this, select, and then we press OK, and we see all our frames are inside here. So we will go back to our editor, and as you can see, it doesn't have any frames here for now, so we doesn't have the animation play now. So we will select the animated sprites Then go to the options here and then scroll down. You see we have these options here, so we select this pen to, oh sorry, we will have to select this animation button here, this animation button. We will select this one, and we see we have our animation we named just A here, so you select it and you see our animation pops up. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. So right now we have our animation here, and let me enable the playing so that you can see the animation playing. So you can see now our animation is playing, and we can scale the speed for him to run fast, you see, or we can just slow him down. You see, so this is how to set up animations in Tap Engine, and you can use this method to set up a whole lot of animations, and you can select it all here. So let's try to set up another animation. So we will select our node tree, select our animated sprite node, and then select this button, and we will create another animation. You will name this one something like attack. Oh, okay. Let's, for example sake, for no any other thing, let's name it D. Then so you select D, then we will select this option, add from sprite sheet, and we will select the attack one sprite frames here, and we have how many frames? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So you set here to be 5, and then you set this one to be 1. Okay, so right now we have all this, and we have to select the frames. Select. Okay, and we are good to go. Now we have this D also created, so we close this tab and we close here. You can see the run animation is playing. So let's go here, select. So let's try to play the other animation we just set up. So you go to the animation tab, select it, and we have the D here. So we select the D, and you see he is doing the attack animation. So thank you guys for watching today, and hope you meet another time on Tap Engine. Thank you. Bye.